Here we have a 1966 F100 four-wheel drive with a 2.7 Ecoboost in it. Starting on the wiring here, I plan on using the entire harness from the donor truck, including taillight, headlight, fog lights. We'll have the working locking diff. This is a 8.8 that I've adapted with the F150 springs and hangers. I'm using the fuel tank from the donor, full exhaust system. I do a few modifications to the Y pipe, and to have cruise control and other features I will be using the column from the donor. So this is just kind of the layout of the wiring to get started. The engine and transmission is installed. I have the core support fitted to it with the fan, radiator, condenser, transmission cooler. I'll be using the standard steering box with electric power steering. Here's a 2.7. It's a 25,000 mile engine. I'm also fitting the grill to it. Have an aftermarket intercooler. Have the transmission cooler fitted to the core support. Here I am, have the battery charged ready here to crank it for the first time. I just need to do some grounds. I'll be using the F150 AC. I need to make a few lines and hoses here. There's the battery junction box, body control module, electric manual course. Here's the PCM. Get around to more wiring. Here's the cluster we'll be using. There's the larger screen. So I plan on keeping a lot of this electronics. This is just a start on a fairly large project here, but should be a nice driving truck. I forgot to mention I'll be using the these are 18-inch F150 sport wheels all the way around. I've actually bored out the centers, and it'll have the it has the 15-inch brakes from the F150 that I've converted to the Dana 44. And here we have the cab. It's a really nice cab. I did have to replace the floor. I used an existing a donor from another truck, so it's a OEM floor. A rotisserie here. I have another truck on a rotisserie, so hopefully this cab for the four-wheel drive. I'm not going to use this this hole. I'm going to fill that back in and put the PCM on the fender. These are the doors and front fenders for this project. And here's the box. It does have the toolbox. It's quite solid. Even the floor is really straight in it. I will be putting new wheel tubs. They're kind of dented. Have it on this rolling cart to make it easier to work on. Here I have two pair of inner fenders here. I'll be using not sure which pair. I'll have to modify to fit everything.